Hey guys, Mac here. I'm cutting in borders here at this dental office, and I just thought it'd be a neat idea to go ahead and show you guys the best way, the only way I've ever used for cutting in borders, how to measure them, and then how to make a real nice cut on your ceiling tile. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to come out. Let's see if I can't do all this using both hands. Okay, you want to put your measuring tape to the inside of the wall mold, and then you want to go up to, see right there, if you get up to the actual edge of the grid, we got 20 3/4, just short of 20 3/4. Okay, you can travel in, or let me rephrase that, you ought to travel in up to 1/4 inch. Okay, but to be safe right here, we're gonna make this 20 7/8. Okay, so we're gonna cut that into 20 7/8, and I'm gonna see if I can put this phone right up here above the grid in a way that it'll look down on what I'm doing. All right, sorry guys if you had to turn your phone sideways to work on this. These tiles are directional, okay, and I got all arrows pointing that way to the front of the house. Okay, so you got to pay a lot of attention when you do something like that. Of course, the cut direction will be able to do that, and this is reveal edge. I got to look at it and picture it installed brown face up. So 20 7/8, you're gonna grab your tape carefully, put your finger down here, thumb up here, stop it. You see that? You can stop it, you can stop it, boom. That's the best way to do it. All right, secure that. Then you're gonna go all the way down here and get 20 7/8 on the border, on this border right here. Not on the inside border, but on the outside border, 20 7/8. Lined up with that border, you hold it tight, you get this deal right here, and you turn it like so. Okay, you wanna also do the same thing with this, because you don't want your tape to scrape up against it like a shovel or like a skid steer and dig up your border. All right, so you're gonna do like so, 20 7/8. Score it. Can you see that score line right there? Right, you see it? Okay. Then you go back with your razor blade. Careful if you got one face up underneath it, not to go through and scrape up your tile. These things aren't cheap, and you do that a few times, you're gonna end up working for free. Okay, give it a good 2 runs, sit on the edge, bend that over. Okay, be careful with your knife as you're maneuvering. I gave it a nice clean cut, and now we get to see if it really did work out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go above the grid like so at a little angle and finesse my way in there. Okay, the back end goes in first. Once that's dropped in, this goes in. You want to yoke it back just a touch. Okay, I'll do another video on how you cut the reveal edge border on it. I should be wearing this right here because this specific tile, sand grit on it. It's called the Sand Micro by Certain Teeth, and it's really high quality. Let me tell you that I'd rather use this than the Armstrong Dune or any of the USG equivalents. Way to go, Certain Teeth. Anyway, y'all look out for the next video on how to cut a reveal edge.